Hello, welcome to STFULFILL Warehouse. As a professional dropshipping service provider, we are excited to show you how we handle your orders. Join us for a daily tour of our operations. Are you ready? Let's go. Station 1, Product Receiving. We will purchase all the products per the client's request. So when all the parcels arrive in our warehouse, we need to scan the barcode on the parcels to complete the product receiving. After scanning, the tracking number on the parcels will be related to the corresponding purchase order in our system. Our staff can see all the SKU details in our system, including the pictures, color, sizes, etc. Based on this information, our staff can conduct a quality check based on the SKU to make sure the product is in a good condition and the right variation. And we will then proceed to scale the product and update the information into our system. Our shipping quotation will be based on the actual updated weight information here. After scaling the product, a new SKU sticker will be printed. We need to stick it onto our product, and now it's ready to put on sale. Station 2, and we will proceed to warehouse our products onto the shelves. Every product will have a newly updated SKU code here. This code will be the exclusive SKU code of all the process within our warehouse. And then we use the PDA to scan the code and proceed to the shelving. Station 3, Order Picking. After warehousing all the products onto the shelves, and the product will be in stock status, the system will push client's order to our PDA, and it will generate a picking task for us. We will base on the picking task and the detailed warehouse unit information, and then we go to the exact location to collect the products. We use the PDA to scan the SKU QR code to double verify whether it's the correct variation and the quantity from the picking order. In some cases, one order might contain more than one SKUs. In this case, we will collect all the products into the cart, and now we are at the put wall to proceed our secondary sorting. As you can see, one put wall, we can handle maximum 30 orders in one go. Each chain will include one order only, no matter how many SKU it contains. The products in the cart will be divided into different orders. First, we'll use our PDA to scan the cart number, the put wall number, and then we will scan the product SKU again. A message will pop up on our PDA to guide us which chain should we place the product. So after we sorted all the products in the cart, and now we are ready to proceed to packaging. During the packaging process, we will take all the products from the put wall, and we come here to double verify whether the products match with the system order or not. If the product does not match with the order, an error alert will pop up to stop. It requires our staff to find the right products to proceed. If the product matches with the order, and then the printer will print the shipping label automatically. Station 5, Weighing. So after the packaging, we will proceed to the weighing process. There are two main purposes that we can achieve by this step. By weighing the parcel one by one, we can get the actual parcel weight, and then we can compare with the original data that we collect at the first step, so that we can verify whether the parcel weight is reasonable or not. If not, the system will pop up an alert. Secondly, we will take pictures and the weight data and store in the cloud. And this will be the shipping info that later we will send to the forwarder. If the shipping fee is higher than we expected, we will double check the pictures from the cloud and confirm the bill again with the forwarder. Station 6, Forwarder Sorting. The greatest advantage of our system is when we place a ready parcel under the scanner, it will detect the details of the parcel, the size, the shipping destination, and the client preference, etc. And then our equipment will detect a most effective way to ship the product. The 4 bags here represent 4 different forwarders. When the system decides which one to work with, and then the conveyor will move the parcel to the corresponding bags. Later in the day, each forwarder will come to our warehouse to pick up their dedicated bags by 6 p.m. every day, which means we can handle all the orders within a day. In order to provide you a worry-free delivery, we have already installed a surveillance system covering every corner of our warehouse. In case your customer launch complaint about item missing, and we will have the footage for you to testify.